A rich life is one with few, or better yet, no regrets, accompanied by an abundance of financial security. In the book, The 5 Biggest Regrets of the Dying, the top regret mentioned was, "I wish I had had the courage to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me." In a survey by Consumer Affairs, the top financial regrets were excessive credit card debt and insufficient savings for emergencies and retirement. To avoid regrets, it is essential to live by your own rules while building wealth following society's norms. But how do you achieve this balance? How do you protect and expand your financial, emotional, physical, and intellectual life? It is not enough to simply repeat old patterns. You need to build solid foundations that will withstand challenges. Here's how. Welcome to 2 Steps to Wealth, the place where future billionaires come to learn. 1. Live for today and tomorrow. If you have trouble saving, sticking to a budget, or sticking to your own financial rules, you're probably being influenced by a scarcity mindset. It's as if an alien is controlling your actions in the moment, making you believe that if you don't do or buy something now, you'll lose that opportunity forever. To preserve your wealth, you need to make decisions that are always aligned with your long-term goals. This scarcity mindset makes impulsive decisions even harder to avoid. It's important to constantly remember that living fully doesn't mean being irresponsible. Yes, you only have one life, but it's made up of the present and the future. Your choices should consider both. 2. To win, you need to overcome the fear of losing. Most people would rather avoid losing $10 than earning $20. This is known as loss aversion. In the past, it was a core survival instinct, but today, this fear limits your financial growth. It causes you to cling to bad investments and avoid taking necessary risks. Growth comes from calculated risks. To achieve a richer life, you need to cut ties with what no longer works and adopt a strategic mindset. Your future self will thank you for it. 3. Take care of your health proactively, not reactively. Your body is your greatest asset. Without it, your career, relationships, and wealth will not thrive. Many chronic diseases result from poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and stress. The average cost of treating type 2 diabetes, for example, can exceed $600,000 over a lifetime, while a healthy diet and regular exercise cost much less. Protecting your health today means ensuring that you can enjoy the wealth you are building. Practice simple habits like eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and taking care of your mental health. This will help minimize future stress and maximize your potential. 4. Protect your assets by knowing your vulnerabilities. We all have weaknesses. Identifying where you are most vulnerable is essential to creating a safety net. Insurance, such as health, life, and property insurance, is essential. While paying for them may seem like an unnecessary expense in the present, the peace of mind they provide is invaluable. Having these safeguards in place means that in times of crisis, you can make clear decisions, while those without a safety net are left to fend for themselves. Think of insurance as an investment in time and options when life gets out of control. 5. Combine education, opportunities, and investments. People's biggest regrets often include not taking advantage of good opportunities, not seeking out knowledge in important areas, and avoiding investments due to lack of understanding. By combining these 3 things, you can turn opportunities into learning and income. For example, platforms like Masterworks allow you to invest in fine art, a market that was once restricted to the elite. With expert guidance, you can learn about the art world while generating profits without taking on huge risks. Combining education, opportunities, and investments is a powerful strategy for building wealth safely. 6. Avoid debt by learning to resist instant gratification. Immediate gratification is one of the biggest enemies of financial stability. Resisting the urge to spend is challenging, especially when you're stressed or afraid of missing out. Studies show that by reminding yourself of the reason behind your financial goals, you can avoid unnecessary purchases. Repeat the mantra, "I will earn more in the future by letting this go now." This mindset doesn't limit your freedom, it expands it into the future. 7. Build wealth with a growth mindset. Many people believe that their current income is the biggest barrier to building wealth, but the real obstacle is the belief that they are stuck in their situation. Adopting a growth mindset means recognizing that your skills and intelligence can be developed. Most wealthy people started from a place of uncertainty, but they didn't let it hold them back. Invest in constant learning, developing new skills, and creating opportunities for yourself. 8. A rich life comes from sharing your resources. Generosity is proof of abundance. Studies show that people who spend on others are happier than those who spend only on themselves. Plus, sharing strengthens relationships, builds trust, and improves your life satisfaction. Experience generosity and see how it transforms not only others, but also yourself. 9. Reduce mental overload to increase your financial confidence. Daily financial decisions can overwhelm your mind and lead to burnout. Automating financial processes, such as investing and saving, is an effective way to reduce stress and focus on what really matters. The less mental energy you spend on smaller decisions, the more you can spend on the big choices that shape your life. Set up automatic payments for bills and retirement contributions, set clear budgets, and simplify your daily choices. This will free up your mind to focus on more strategic decisions rather than repetitive tasks. When you reduce cognitive overload, you can make more informed financial decisions, save mental energy, and stay focused on what really matters to create a rich and balanced life. Number 10. You need to redefine what success means. Last but not least, redefining what success means to you is key to living a rich and regret-free life. Many people follow the traditional idea of success based solely on money, status, or material achievements. But true success is about living in alignment with your values, achieving your personal goals, and finding fulfillment in all aspects of your life. Think of success as a journey, not just a destination. Assess what's important to you, whether it's spending more time with your family, helping others, exploring your passions, or making a positive impact on the world. By doing so, you'll create a vision of success that fits your life, rather than trying to fit into society's standards. After all, wealth isn't just about what you accumulate, but how much you appreciate and enjoy each moment. Living a rich, regret-free life isn't something that happens by accident. It's the result of conscious decisions, consistency, and a commitment to growing in all areas of your life. From health to finances, education, and mindset, every step you take today contributes to building a more abundant tomorrow. If you enjoyed this content and want more tips like these, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and activate the bell to receive notifications of upcoming content. Together, we can continue this journey toward a richer, more meaningful life. See you in the next video.